What is CyberBrick? It's not just a few circuit boards, nor just a few toy cars. It's a supercharged toy ecosystem with endless possibilities. All you need is hardware and a 3D printer to create. A solder-free, programmable core built for versatile reuse, paired with functional shields, motors, servos, joysticks, and more. Brilliant ideas from creators and designers worldwide, ready to go and ready to play instantly at your fingertips. It's not just about quantity. It's about unmatched quality too. Let's take a look at the official vehicles. Meet the forklift, the truck, and the soccer bot. Love miniature RC vehicles? Build the construction site of your dreams with CyberBrick. Watch the forklift's realistic cable-driven telescopic mast, lifting cargo smoothly and steadily. The tiny truck features a differential inside paired with fully proportional control, navigating S-turns and parking with ease. The best part? CyberBrick lets you control two vehicles with a single controller. Toggle between vehicles seamlessly. Enjoy a co-op gameplay experience solo. Not into co-op? We've got you covered. Create your own arena with CyberBrick. The soccer bot is mini in size, but it's mighty in action, launching powerful long passes or firing precise shots. Up your game with advanced programming. Activate turbo mode to score a crucial goal, but watch out for your rival's brutal revenge. Swap out gearboxes, springs, and exterior parts for a truly unique build. CyberBrick is designed for all ages and skill levels. Browse and choose your CyberBrick project online. Launch your print job anytime, anywhere. Verified models and a high-performance printer, the perfect, reliable combo. Grab pre-sorted parts from Maker's Supply. Assemble it and enjoy the process. We also offer PC and mobile apps. Even for beginners, getting started is a breeze. Connect and play with a few taps. For advanced players and creators, CyberBrick supports further development. Full configuration functionality is available on both PC and mobile. Easily tune everything from channel mapping to motor curves. CyberBrick also features support for MicroPython, great for both coding beginners and advanced tinkerers. CyberBrick is supported by MakerWorld's thriving content ecosystem. Its incentive programs and community interaction inspire and motivate creators. And it takes you only a few bucks on filaments each time to keep enjoying fresh, new designs. We call this innovative approach distributed manufacturing. Reusable electronic components eliminate tons of e-waste every year. Being printed in your home instead of mass-produced in a factory means packaging and shipping costs are significantly cut down. It's not just eco-friendly, it's budget-friendly too. So, join us today